In today's video, I will share with you 4 amazing websites that actually pay you for creating a resume. Creating a resume may already be your everyday work if you create resume for your family members or friends because it's necessary for any job you are applying. Now you will be paid for your efforts of creating resume. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So the first website on our list is RiseSmart. RiseSmart is a renowned career management platform that connects job seekers with top-notch resume writers. What makes RiseSmart unique is that they pay you to create resume for their clients. You will have access to a vast pool of individuals who are actively seeking professional assistance in crafting their resume. It's a win-win situation where you get paid for your expertise and job seekers receive high-quality resumes and give them a competitive edge in the job market. The second website is Writerzilla. If you have a passion for writing and enjoy the flexibility of freelancing, Writerzilla is a place to be. Not only can you showcase your resume writing skills, but you can also explore various writing projects. With Writerzilla, you have the opportunity to work on resumes for clients and get paid for each completed project. It's a fantastic platform for those looking to enhance their writing portfolio and earn money at the same time. The third website is WriterBay. If you have a talent for writing and want to monetize your skills, WriterBay is the perfect platform for you. Not only you can showcase your resume writing expertise, but you can also explore other writing opportunities. WriterBay offers competitive compensation, and by crafting impressive resumes, you can earn a handsome income while doing what you love. The last website is Simply Hired. It is a popular job search platform that also pays you for your resume writing skills. Simply Hired offers job seekers the option to enhance their resumes through professional assistance. As a resume writer on Simply Hired, you can earn money by helping job seekers stand out from the competition. With a vast user base and numerous resume writing opportunities, Simply Hired is a fantastic platform to make money while empowering others in their job search. So whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting out, these platforms provide you with the opportunity to make money while honing your craft. So why waste your time creating resumes for free when you can turn your passion into profit? So must give these websites a try. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.